Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. So for this video, I'm going to be using some leftover paint that I had from my recent Blacklight Skull paint pour. So some of these colors are blacklight reactant, they're neon. So I thought it would be fun to try a waterfall paint pour, and I still have my blacklight light bulbs in my lamp, so I figured for most of this pour I will do it under the blacklight. And then after that, I will show it to you in regular light to see how it compares between black light and normal lighting. If you've seen any other blacklight paint pours before, you'll know that they definitely look very, very different from each other. So just keep that in mind when you're watching. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights and turn on my black lights, and we'll be right back. I'll go ahead and layer the colors now while my black light lamp warms up. I'm also using satin enamels, so hopefully we'll get somewhat of a cloud pour with this waterfall. So this looks pretty cool. Now, because not all of the paint here is blacklight reactant, it's not as vivid or bright as my last paint pour, but I think it's going to look pretty cool when we turn on the lights. So let's turn on the lights, take a look at how it's developing, and then we will take a little break and come back to see if any more cells have developed. Whoa, that is a huge difference from what we could see on screen before. This is super neat. And yeah, you can see some of the cells kind of developing through here, and we may get some more cloud cells or just cells from the metallic paint that was in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put paint on the corners that didn't get covered and let it sit for a little while, and then we will take a closer look. And we're back. So I definitely see some cells have developed, so let's take a closer look. This is super cool over here. The black really stands out. And then we get some little cells back here. And kind of a tree ring effect down here, which doesn't surprise me. This is very similar to a tree ring pour. And then we get down to some of my favorite, these beautiful cells with that little neon pink around the edges. Some more black. And I like this white. I think it creates some interesting depth. And then some more cells down here. I think those are made up of the metallic paint. So those are going to be really interesting dry, because I bet they'll catch the light really nicely. And then we have some really cool lines through here. So I'm really happy with this, and I think it's very cool. I'll put some footage of this at the end of the video, under the black light, now that it has sat for a couple of minutes. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this piece? Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.